Alright, so about a week and a half ago I bought this. It's a knockoff riprap i3 with an MK8 extruder. It had this in it originally, which is a GT2560 revision A. So I was trying to use it. I wanted to upgrade to Marlin. I couldn't. You know, they have no bootloaders in the Chinese ones, so that's garbage. So I just decided, you know, Amazon, bought the 2560 revision A plus. Also purple steppers, which they can do a 30-second step, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw those in now too. But I've been having so many issues with this. If you try to swap from revision A to A plus, you try to use the Marlin config.h settings for the LCD, it won't work. You can use anything, you can do anything you want, it's not going to work if you swap from this Rev A to the Rev A plus, no matter what you do. Except I've been on this for 3 days. I've created maybe 25 different config files. A lot of research, a lot of people saying swap the cables, or U8 libg. You know, I implemented it. I was like, oh, this is gonna work. No, didn't work. I tried every graphical controller. What you have to do is actually physical. So it's gonna be hard to see on the camera, but on these cables there's a notch, right? So that notch, it's not gonna focus. There's a notch right there, okay? So the cable can only go in one way. Well, if you buy a Rev A plus, the notches are on the outside, not the inside, but all the pins go to the same traces. So it's just gonna beep and beep and little ticks. So what you have to do is actually cut the notch off, reverse the cable. That's it. That's the fix. Make sure you implement the right U8 lib, and then make sure you define the right board and SD support settings, and the LCD. The LCD for that, it's a 20x4. So if I can get down here, 20x4 is going to be the riprap, not the full graphical, just the other one. Discount riprap, should I pass it? It's right here. Discount riprap smart controller, sold with the white PCBs. Got some drone going on. And that's pretty much it. Just cut the little tabs off and then reverse them, and then you can take this and burn it, and then you can start running Marlin on this. Or you can do the bootloader, but I didn't want to do the bootloader, so that's all it is.